Mornings, I can do mornings. I can do evenings too, if the sun is shining bright for you.
Just receiving an order because I ordered something for myself as a reward for finishing my interview.
So who do you live? Is it, sorry, it looks like on the screen coming up as kwok. Is that you? Yeah, go ahead, please.
So I'm Kwok, I'm from Queens, and my other option is company law. All the law students will tell you that it just sounds like you're selling out into commercial law in the city, which is just not true. I don't really want to sell out into corporate law, so...
No, God, don't do that, don't do that.
So remember, as Leila said, the way to think about the tax system as a whole and the fairness of the system and of the tax and benefit system as a whole is say, okay, look, we need to raise this much. He's arguing in court about a Jaffa cake being a cake and not a biscuit, or a biscuit and not a cake.
Yeah, I think they were arguing it was a cake because they had baked one up that was sort of cake size to point out how much it looked like a cake. Pringles, are Pringles crisps or are they something else?
No, I think it was whether they're potato-based products or not.
Yeah, exactly. And they're
Should I be in a jazz bar in New Orleans, or should I be in the Ravenclaw Common Room?
Ravenclaw Common Room. You give me Ravenclaw vibes. I feel like Alfie would be a...
She's a Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff.
Celebrity status.
When we were young.
Oh my god, well, that next to Kwok. Look,
It's
look.
me.
No, wait, there's my head.
I mean, it sounds compelling.
Rating out of 10?
It sounds so compelling. Yes, those guys that
He's
will harm, let's get them
basic,
paid.
standard, but everything else 10 out of 10. You know, can't give peas 10 out of 10.
That is true.
If the sun is shining bright for you. No clouds when you break out.
It's workout time, baby. Today's workout is gonna be an upper body functional-ish workout. Let's do it.
I feel free now. Problems you just can't solve them, but I can solve them in twos if the sun is shining bright for you.
Also, do you like this? Is one of my housemates. Beer pints.
No clouds when you break out alive. No trees without leaves in their arms. Even the sun needs the shade, tries to chase it away. I feel free now. What you say? Mornings, I can do mornings. I can do evenings too, if the sun is shining bright for you.
Now that you've gotten to the autumn moon, your years and you feel your best yet, and you found a turkey feather and you hung it like an amulet. So happy that you got to the bottom of the fears that are better than you, and you found a round stone and you're wearing it around like a...
Hi. Whereabouts are you in the States?
Maryland, right outside DC.
Oh, lovely. How are you feeling about the election?
It's, every, 30 seconds I check to see if there's been an update.
It is dinner time now. It is the end of the work day. It's about 6. So we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna make myself some porridge for dinner. We're gonna do some eggs. We're gonna add some pickled Taiwanese cucumbers.
Now that you wandered to the clearing in the woods where the weeds sway in the wind, and you found a dead deer and you made it into moccasins. Overjoyed that you'd gotten to the flat spot in the field, and you're starting to feel that it's hearkening to something happening. Doors big loud, swinging wide open. And you found yourself laying in that something.
Hello. How was the study? Oh. What are you filming?
I'm filming a little.
Oh, is it for your YouTube?
Yeah.
Ah.
This is
Great.
Henry.
So I now have a see-through white skirt on.
So happy that you got to the bottom of it. The fears that were glittering you, and you found a round stone and you're wearing it around like a Jew.
But she does it so well. We love those standards. Thank you so much. I'm joking. That is very kind.
Very intensely reading the ingredients. What are you worried?
No. I'm not so intense.